Good day to everyone sa lahat na nanonood dito. Here, papaliwanag ko lang po sa inyo kung papaano po makita or i-check if you're eligible to apply for a monetization. But before that, we have a promo, going promo this February 2025. It's 1 month promo, so pwede kayong mag-avail. So first, meron po kaming tag dito, pino-provide na service for requirements sa Facebook monetization. First one is the 5,000 followers, which is ito po ay isa sa requirements kapag kayo ay magpapamonetize or mag-apply for monetization under Stream Ads sa Facebook account ninyo. Okay? So you have to so we offer 5,000 follower that costs 900 pesos. That's international or worldwide, meaning iba't iba pong bansa yung magfa-follow sa inyo. That costs 900 pesos and before is 1,250. So, meron din po kaming PH-based, meron din kaming US-based. Ang gawin niyo na lang po is kontakin niyo lang po ito pong mismong page namin, okay? Diyan po yung information if nag-ask kayo. Next one is 60,000 minutes views in Stream Ads. Ito naman po yung pangalawang requirements sa Stream Ads. So, that costs 999 pesos and dati ay 1,200. Yan po ay para po siyang watch hour kung i-compare natin sa YouTube monetization. And kailangan meron ka po ditong 1 hour and 5 minutes video length, pwedeng after live or normal upload video. Next is yung pangatlo ay nasa sa inyo na mismo yon sa page. Yung makikita niyo naman yun under your criteria on Stream Ads. Dapat meron kayong at least 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes, at least 5 videos na uploaded sa inyong page or profile. Okay? And then, mas maganda po, i-suggest ko po sa inyo na if you're going to apply or are planning to apply in Stream Ads monetizations, dapat po yung video na ina-upload nyo ay may at least 5 minutes video length or more. Okay? Mas mahaba, mas maganda because mas longer yung video, doon mas naglalagay ng ads ang Meta. Okay? The next is 600,000 minutes views. It is for live ads monetizations naman and ang requirement for followers here is 10,000 follower. However, dahil nga po sa bagong bagong requirements or bagong update po ng Meta ngayon ay 3-in-1 na. So later on i-explain ko sa inyo about that 3-in-1. Next is same lang din sila. Ito naman ay ito naman po ay nilalagay sa mga after live. Okay? Next one is meron tayo 100k or 80k Reels Plays monetization. That is the requirements, one of the requirements under the Reel ads. So dapat you have at least 6 minutes videos on your Facebook sa Reels. Okay? But yeah, that costs 1,499 and before is 1,900. Wait, let me check tell you the other package. So for the other package, that is for the monetization, guys, and here naman is for display views. Okay, so we have a package for 5,000 video and reels views for only 190 pesos. That is international, so that costs 240 before the original price. Then we have 10,000 that costs 380, 50,990, and 100k is 1,800. That before is 4,800. So malaki po yung binabagsak niya ngayon. That is for the Facebook promo and some is papakita ko na lang sa other video ko, but now this video is naka-focus po tayo sa monetization. Okay. So this one, ito po yung bagong ganap ng Facebook in-stream ads. So, meron na tayong 3-in-1 na tinatawag, which is yung tatlo pa rin naman, that's in-stream ads, ads on Reels, and the live ads or the performance bonus program. May ganyan. So, kailangan po ang first step nyo ay ma-approve muna kayo sa in-stream ads. Kasi tuloy-tuloy na po yan. Once you are monetize on in-stream ads, mas madali na po kayo ma-monetize or naka-automatic na po na ma-monetize na rin yung Reels and yung live ads or yung iba po nyo pong monetization tools if you reach the requirements. Okay po? So, dapat, ang first step is kailangan monetize kayo sa stream ads. Tapos, complete check your eligibility method. Okay? So, paano po tignan, paano po makikita, paano po malalaman. So, all you have to do is, katulad dito, may nag-a-ask kanina lang. Okay, so meron sa ito kasi makikita niyo sa inyong, mobile view. Pero kasi yung criteria dito and the informations wala kayong makikita under mobile view. Pero yung sa kanya profile type naman siya or yung naka-professional mode. So hindi talaga makikita, wala talaga 'yan. So ang kailangan niyo pong gawin is go to your Chrome or go to your laptop and then search for, this one Meta and then open your page and kapag profile po wala po talaga kayong makikitang ganito kundi ito lang. Wala kayong makikitang ganito kundi ito lang. Okay, so first go to the monetization. So after the monetization, ito po yung makikita niyo. So you can see this page is not eligible for monetization because we have a policy issue here sa store. So hindi namin siya mapapamonetize. So bakit nga ba ganyan? So after this one, go to view page eligibility. After that, you will see the other monetization tools. And ito yung mga nakasetup. Ito may policy issue kami dyan. So wag nyo na pakalaman yan. Okay. So this one, paras lang pala makikita niyo sa pag-view sa Chrome ha. Okay, then click yung pinaka-arrow dito sa gilid. And then here makikita niyo yung mga tools na pupuwede niyong applyan. So for me, nakikita niyo halos lahat na ng page ngayon ng eligible ang tools na lang na meron diyan ay in-stream ads, subscription, and the stars. Pero sa mobile, andiyan pa ring ads on reels pero hindi niyo po siya ma-applyan hangga't hindi po kayo kasi hindi po kayo monetize dito kasi naka 3 in 1 na siya ngayon, bagong feature 'yun. So, hindi niyo makikita yung criteria sa ads and reels. So, kahit gusto niyo pong magpa-boost ng ads and reels, like ang daming nagme-message sa'min, gusto nila tina-target yung ma-monetize sila sa reels, but we cannot help you with that po kung hindi pa kayo monetize sa stream ads. We can help you with that kapag monetize na kayo sa stream ads, tapos meron na kayong criteria o malapit-lapit na kayo sa criteria sa ads and reels. Kasi kapag wala pa rin. As you can see, wala kayong makikita kahit saang page yung tignan, wala kayong makikitang criteria ng ads and reels because now they are 3 in 1 na. So first, you have to be monetized sa in-stream ad. Okay? So check nyo lang yung view criteria. So here we have 3 requirements. Yung sinasabi ko kanina, the followers, dapat kailangan may 5,000 followers na kayo. Sa eligible minutes views naman dapat 60K, okay? Puwede yung on demand or live mismo, okay? And then dapat may active videos kayo. If that's all green na siya, may lalabas na or automatic, may ready to set up na siya dito. May makikita kayo diyan, set up. So sa amin kasi dahil nga po may policy issue kami or merong mali dun sa aming service ay sa aming page, wala siyang nailabas kasi hindi nga dinecline po etong page na 'to. So if yung page niyo ay may problem, better to check that first before kayo mag-apply or before kayo mag-effort to get the requirements and the stream ads. Kasi kung meron kayong vi ah, 'to, policy issue or mga copyright, first, hindi talaga kahit anong gawin yung ma-complete ito, wala kayong makitang setup katulad sa page namin. However, if you already reach this, mag-automatic lagay na yan ng setup, okay? Tapos yun, pwede na siyang i-setup and ay start na kayo mag-earn ng money. And about naman sa ads and reels, paano po kung nakapag-setup na po? Mag-automatic makikita niyo na yan dito sa inyong tools. Then, set up na lang po kayo. Yun na po yun. So, first thing first, you have to be monetized on in-stream ads. Hindi kayo mamamonetize sa ads and reels. Maniwala kayo sa akin kung wala kayong criteria and under the in-stream ads. So, kailangan po kasi may invitation and the Facebook itself or Meta itself will send you the invitation para para po makapag-apply kayo sa in-stream ads. And mag-o-auto naman yan kapag nakita na or napansin na ng Meta na, oh, you already completed our requirements. So we'll give you an invitation for us to be part of our business. Siyempre, ganun. So, paano tignan kung may policy issue? Click nyo lang yan or check your contents and check your recommendation. Check mo lahat. Okay? So, if kunwari wala namang copyright or any violations sa inyong page, tapos walang setup, you have to submit a report or a questions sa help center ng Meta mismo. So, yung nangyari kasi kay client profile yung kanya, so better to use a page or mag-effort kayo using page, not a profile or professional mode for you to be monetized right away. So, ayun lang naman. Again, these are the promo for the monetization ng month of February, and you are free to message us here or sa aking isang account, which is Cat Human Booster. Okay? So, yeah. And sa mga other packages pa, I will share a video next time na lang. Okay? So, thank you so much. If you have any question, just message me again here and we can do a video call or anything just to give you assurance that hindi kami scammer. Okay? So, yun. Thank you so much for watching and I hope makamonetize and mag-start rin kayo mag-earn dito sa Facebook page ninyo. And, yeah. Bye!